Hello, I'm Lou and welcome to my channel. So for this week's video I'm going to open up the latest Upcrate subscription box. It's a monthly subscription box that includes art supplies for you to try out and some paper and a magazine. So let's go check out what we've got inside and make some art with it. So I already opened it. Not what was inside, just opened the box itself. But here we go. So it looks a little battered, so I think it's been through the walls with the postie, but let me see. It's the key to artistic heaven, and some really pretty flowers with little faces on it. It's quite cute. Right off the bat I see a washi tape. That's really sweet. We've not had a washi tape before. My guess might be paints, but yeah, so we've got, looks like a pattern in there, but it's a little pink with gold and white little confetti bits on there. That's cool. So let's see. Oh. Okay, yeah, very battered. Okay, so let's see what else we've got. So we have here Liquitex heavy body acrylic paint. It's in light blue permanent, so this kind of shade colour, which is quite nice, and it's 22 mils, and it's opaque, so if it's a little square blacked out, that just shows how opaque it is, or if it's white then it's transparent. And then we've also got Lefranc and Bourgeois, I'm not sure if I said that right, fine gouache in ivory black, and that's 25 mils, and this should be opaque, which it is, yeah. And then we've also, in the same brand, we've got this yellowy colour, primary yellow gouache, again, same again, 25 mils, and it's quite opaque. And then we have here, in a different brand, I don't know what that says, but I think that says Talons, and that's also gouache in white. I think that means quite opaque, and that's in 20 mils, which is weird because they kind of look kind of the same. And then we have a little brush, and this one is by Lucas, and it's a size 2, and this is a flat brush, so you get quite a good details with this paintbrush. And we also have a palette, which is great with paints to have, and I do need a new palette, so this is perfect. So yeah, it's really good. And then in every box you always get a magazine. The Upcrate name there's Bottle Post, and it's Is Heaven a Place on Earth? And there's some pictures of Earth, I guess. And then normally in the magazine it gives you a description of the products, the art materials that are in the box, bit of history, the company that they are, a little bit of information about that, tips and tricks, and they feature a co-captain, which is a featured artist, and this one is alenem.art, sorry if I said that wrong, but this is really cool. Look how detailed that artwork is. It kind of gives me that Ghibli kind of style. Yeah, that's nice. Look how pretty that is. Very nice. And then they'll feature other artists and give you tips and tricks of how to use the paints. There's a step-by-step here. Looks like the paper is like strips of paper. And then mixing colours. So I've got yellow and blue The blue's quite light, so I don't think I'll get a very strong green colour, and I've got white and black, so I don't really have a lot to work with the colours, but I guess that's the point, isn't it, to challenge yourself. And then we've also got the Upcrate battle from previous subscription boxes. So this one was Come Together, which was the first box that I started subscribing to with Upcrate, and I do have a video on that, so if you want to go check that out, I will leave a link in the description below. And then this one is for number 33, which is 2 boxes ago, and that is Let It Out. And these are some of the artists that did the challenge. I love that one, that's nice. And then right at the back you'll have the Upcrate battle for this box, and this one is Nature is Art, and I love nature, and I think I can do something with the colours that we've got in the box. So yeah, let's see what happens. You also get in the box a sticker sheet, and yeah, this is normally by the featured artist, which is Alan Art. I love that. I love that style, the trees and the greenery. So yeah, that's cool. And then you get a print as well from the featured artist, and yeah, you do get, it looks like a strips of art, and I love that. I love the style, and you could do a landscape as well as portrait. So yeah, and that just features some of the art that she's done. I'm definitely going to have to follow her. I like her style, very detailed, and I'd love to learn how to do skies properly. I am learning, but it's something I struggle with, so I'd love to do something like that. And yep, strips of paper, so it looks like we get 3. So I'm a bit disappointed yet again that they've only given us a small amount of paper to work with, because I'd like to swatch these out as well, so this just wastes one of these bits of paper, so you're only really left with 2. But I think I might have a go at doing 1 portrait and 1 landscape, and see what we come up with. But first I'm going to swatch it out on the paper, and then after that we'll do a time-lapse of me making the art with these art materials. Okay, so the paper itself is Art Space watercolour paper, and it's 300 GSM, which is very thick. And it's got 2 sides by the looks of it, so one side is quite textured and the other side is quite smooth, so you can use either side, that is your preference really. So yeah, let's do some swatching. Okay, so this is kind of what I'm working with. I think I can create something quite nice with it. Kind of maybe, I don't want to obviously take this idea, but on the same lines as something like this will be quite nice. And as I said, I want to try and have a go at landscape and a portrait. So yeah, let's make some art. So the next part of the video will be a time lapse, and then I will come in at the end with my full review, and just give a little bit of information about my process as well. But yeah, looking forward to this one. Enjoy the time lapse.
thought about you. Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do, when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside? I know it's hard sometimes to believe it, that you deserve more. Let me say it. Oh, quit the job you hate and love the ones you love. 'Cause have you ever really thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do, when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside? We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the outside?
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you
Is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder, harder, harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving, loving, loving on me. Eh, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
This heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine? Think about you every time. I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah.
You were the top that eclipsed the room. I was the one who arrived too soon. But no one would ever bet against us. If they saw us exchanging glances, I was too busy to fall in love. You were too busy to break my heart. Nobody else was there to stop us. Nobody else was there to warn us. Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long, baby. Do you still remember when our hearts tuned up spontaneously? On and on like a marathon, we keep running from fighting for something. Something to remind us that we're better than this poor love song. Too busy watching the TV screen. Now we're just betting on broken dreams. Nobody's gonna come and save us. We cashed in too many empty favors, yeah. Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long, baby. Do you still remember when our hearts tuned up spontaneously? On and on like a marathon, we keep running from fighting for something. Something to remind us that we're better than this poor love song.
Okay, so I'm at the end of the video, and yeah, I'm actually really happy with what we got in this box. These are really good wash. I really enjoyed working with these. They're very vibrant, pigmented, they're very opaque. Yeah, I really enjoyed working with these. They're very good quality, so I definitely may consider getting some more of these. I've never heard of the brand before, but I'm sure I can get it here in the UK. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna look out for some more of these. The heavy body, again, really good. Liquitex is a really good brand. I have used them before, and I love the colour. Actually, it's a really nice blue colour, and yeah, works really well with the gouache. So yeah, it's a nice little addition to the box, actually, like to work with the gouache as well, because this is a acrylic, not gouache, but yeah, it works really well. Yeah, the pieces themselves, I tried to be a bit more varied with the limited palette that we have, so I did mix up trying to get different variations of colours from what we had, but I ended up kind of going very green in the art pieces. I kind of wanted a bit of everything, like a bit of blue, yellow, white, green, pretty much what we got here. But yeah, I don't know, this is just where I went. I didn't quite enjoy doing this one. I love the reference, so I will leave a link in the description below of the reference that I've used for these, but this, yeah, it's just I wasn't feeling it at all, and I think it's come across, to be honest. It's very I can't explain it, it doesn't sort of like come out at me. I don't know, but this one I really love. I love the little bee. As I said in previous videos, I am very environmentally friendly, about the ecosystem, sustainability and stuff like that, and my favourite insect actually is the bee. So I wanted to, with the colours that we had, actually try and paint something with that, because nature is art and bees are very much important in our nature, so I wanted to incorporate that, and I love how it came out, actually. It's really cute. I know I could have done a little bit more refining with the daisies, but yeah, I'm actually really happy with how that came out. So a little bit of negative, a little bit of positive, but it was just initially just playing around with the colours that I had, and then just going in and doing something a bit more personal to me. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with what we've got, and this little brush actually does really well. It actually goes a long way. It does hold a lot of paint on there, and it does go a long way, so it's actually a really cute little brush, and it works really well. So yeah, overall I'm really happy. I wanted to have a smaller border because I felt like this was too thick, and it would be, yeah, it just wouldn't look right. So I used my own washi tape, but I did want to incorporate it somehow, so I just had it at the bottom, so it had like a more of a Polaroid kind of look. But yeah, I'm happy I got to use every aspect of what we had in the box. So yeah, overall very happy, as I keep saying. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked the time lapse and what I've created this week, and please do give me a like, share and a subscribe, and I will see you next week. Take care, bye.